sometimes you lose some and you really got to call a professional. And this is one of those times. My furnace died on me. It's been about 2 days now, and we didn't have any heat. So I did call a gentleman. His name is Dan from OnDemand Heating and Cooling. Super personable, very authentic, honest. Just a guy that's feels like he just wants to just help the community, and I'm happy to have him come and replace my furnace. I did think about doing it myself, but you know, I'm not an HVAC guy. I don't claim to be. I'm just the guy that does a little bit of research online. Absolutely no instructions. But this thing, it did crap out on me last year. It was this inducer motor right here. So you can see it's brand new compared to the rest of the unit. And I actually called a technician to come in. Anyways, they did come in and say that my inducer motor was bad, so I did get a diagnostic from them, and I went ahead and changed it myself. These pane furnace units, they all eventually rot out at the secondary heat exchanger, and that's exactly what's happened here. And at that point, you might as well throw it away at that point. And even talking with Dan, he said that, yep, as soon as these things are rotted and corroded at the secondary heat exchanger, you're pretty much done. They're garbage. And there he is. He just showed up. There she is, all taken out. There's my AC coil, condenser coil. What's it look like up there? Probably can't see much, but she's grimy. 20 years of griminess. And here's the new unit. It's a Coleman. Everything's fresh. March 2026. Hopefully this can last me till at least March 2046. exhaust piping going here. I think Dan is pretty close to about finished. Like any good client, you want to stay out of their way and let them do their thing, because nothing is more annoying than somebody watching somebody over their shoulder the entire time that they're working. So I'm gonna let him do his thing, and he's the pro, and he'll get her done for us. And there we have it. Brand new furnace, 2026 installed. Very happy about this. Dan at OnDemand Heating Cooling did a phenomenal job. Great guy, super authentic, just a genuine human being. I wouldn't have wanted a better person to come and fix this for me. So the work is done, looks great, functions great, and I can't be more happy enough.
Okay guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.